Hi, welcome back to Sue's Kitchen JA. Thank you guys so much for subscribing to my channel, for sharing and for liking and for leaving a comment. I really appreciate it. So in this video, I'm going to show you how I make my oats, banana, peanut porridge. Easy. So as you can see, I already have my 3 green bananas that is already peeled. I have my dish with my dried peanuts, I have my grated nutmegs, and I have 4 spoons of flour to be exact, and I have my cinnamon leaf, and I have also my orange peel that is dried. I have my oats, and I have 2 cups of water that I'm going to blend together. This is all ingredients you need, simple and easy. And my added ingredients for flavor will be my cinnamon powder, my Coronation milk for color, my vanilla for flavor, and my Nestle condensed milk for sweetening. And you can use sugar as well. So now I'm going to blend up all of the dry ingredients and let's get cooking. Now we're going to add in everything in the blender. So we're putting in our bananas first. And then we're going to add in our oats. Oops, some spill. Add in our oats, and then we're going to add in our peanuts, and finally our flour. It doesn't really matter the order you put it in because everything is going to blend together. So now we're adding in our water. So now we are going to cover and blend. So we are blending. So in 2 cups of water, you're going to add the mixture and boiling water to be exact. Do you see that? You're gonna scrape that out. So after we had adding everything, we're going to constantly stir it because we don't want it to get lumpy and stick to the bottom. So we will stir occasionally. Stir like every 3 minutes. You come and you test and you stir, but you don't want it to have any lump. So the lump, we don't want that. So we knock it off and we stir again. I hope you guys will see this good. Look at that. Stir. But I like to add it in my porridge and let it steam together. Let everything boil together, cook together. So this is my way. Everybody cooks in their own unique way. This is my way. So if you use the method where you boil it in the water before adding in the blending ingredients, that's okay. But I do it like this. I will try your way as well. So we are mixing. Do you see thick? Look at this. This is thick. This is getting thick. And you can see the crunchiness of the peanuts. It's not that smooth. That's what we want. This is gonna taste so good. You can have it with crackers, or you can have it with bread, or you can have it with some lettuce, whatever you want. But see, it's so beautiful. So this is how it looks. It's finished boiling, guys. Our porridge is finished now. So now we are going to sweeten it. So I'm gonna add in my grated nutmeg. Ooh, this smells so nice. I love nutmeg. And now we're gonna add in our vanilla. And that is followed by our milk. And then, oops, we're gonna add in our cinnamon powder. I love cinnamon powder. I love cinnamon tea. And now we're gonna mix. we are going to stir. We're gonna stir and we're gonna continue to stir until we have everything blended in together, nice and beautiful. So we are stirring, and as you can see, it's cooperating, right? It's changing. Look at that. Yes, so we are stirring. I can smell that cinnamon and that nutmeg. Scrape off the sides, guys, so you can get the seasoning. Why am I saying seasoning? You can get all of the spices evenly distributed in it. If you look around the side, you can see that it have a darker color than in the middle. We don't want that. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. So now I'm gonna add in our Coronation milk. Don't want a black porridge. I want our porridge to look pretty. And now we're gonna add in our sugar. Remember, we're sweetening it, so this is the sugar. The condensed milk is not going to sweeten so much porridge, so you're going to add a little sugar. And you stir. We stir, we stir, we stir, we stir, we stir. Ooh, do you see how that looks? So we stir. Yep, we're stirring. Exercising that ham. I want somebody to make this and show it to me and tell me if it's not good. This is actually a family recipe. My sister taught me how to make this, and now I am teaching you guys. Okay, so this is it. This is how it looks after I finish sweetening it and everything. So I'm gonna show you how it looks when I share it out. You can have this, as I said earlier on, with crackers, bread, or fritters, or stamp and you go. That's how it is called. And oh, do remember to like, comment, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend that Sue a cook up a bag of thing. Oh, and remember to hit that notification bell so every time I drop a video you will see it. Thanks for watching. Thank you guys. Bye.